Blu at Faridabad, and it was a long journey of 16 hours.
And it was very annoying as a small baby was in a compartment and she was crying all the time.
Yes, it was a really annoying journey. You can see this. It's a beautiful location. You can see this gate. So first we'll take our key cards.
Welcome to Radisson Blu.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so they have kept our bags at our room and they are going to our room. They gave us this card and they told that my room number is 405. Okay, so you can see the button cannot be pressed because I cannot go there because I am a member here.
Yeah.
So first I have to scan it and then I have to put the floor. Okay, so we are going to fourth floor now. Yeah, we are at fourth floor now.
Yeah. It's really very good.
I hope our luggage should be inside.
Yeah, they must have brought it.
Yeah. So 1 second just. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, our luggage is here already.
Yeah.
And this is our room.
Yeah, it's good.
I want this for perfect. And it's our first day of FGSI, Foundation of Science for Global Innovation. And here's Ashwin with me. Ashwin.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering.
हे गाइस, हम अभी KFC में और आप देख सकते हैं। अश्विन थोड़ा साइड हो ना। इसने अभी पूरा कोक गिरा दिया था। मतलब इसको धक्का लगा था एक्चुअली, वेस्ट इंडीज़ के कुछ लोग थे तो पूरा KFC इन्होंने गंदा कर दिया है और कुछ नहीं, हमें फिर से नया मिला।
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
You all have been amazing. It's just that we are bound by the rules and we have to identify someone who will be a bronze, someone who will be a silver, and someone who will be gold. Otherwise, each one of you is a winner. You will always remain a winner. Alright? Here comes the first name. Safety Cooler. You can come on stage. For all the awards, the bronze awards, I would like to request Mr. Mahendra.
Okay guys, we are exiting now from Kidzenia and it was our last day. We are taking a flight from New Delhi. Both came third. Ashwin was in science innovation and I was in the research category. We are programmers and everything got a research. Yeah. Okay guys, we are moving towards New Delhi airport now and we have completed our competition in 3 days and we are just moving. Luggage घेतला Ashwin?
हो.
Guys, we have reached the airport now. It's 8 o'clock and we are having a flight at morning 5 a.m. I know it's very before, but now we are planning that we'll keep our luggage to clock room and we'll go to India Gate or some stuff like this.
I place my dreams among the stars while I'm standing on the pavement. Spinning around, lost and found, just trying to make a statement. Lift the weight off my shoulders and set me free. With the birds in the sky is where I'd like to be. Without gravity to hold us down, together we're on the side of the ground.
Hey guys, so we are leaving for Nagpur and you can see this fog. It's an early morning flight and you can see this.
Nothing to
Even we cannot see the runway.